Hey loves, it's your girl MissRessaT, and I am starting this video off with a weigh-in. If you can tell by the title, I decided to jumpstart my weight loss journey again by doing a green smoothie cleanse. So that is my starting weight. This is a review of what I put in my smoothies here. I made big batches. Some of those ingredients are doubled. If you want a detailed video, let me know. I did do an apple cider vinegar shot every morning, and that's something I'm going to continue to do. So this is day one, my first smoothie. Here is my snack and my second smoothie and snack. Hey loves, let me apologize that the past two things were pictures. I totally forgot that I was filming. That's what happens when I get to working, and you can tell I look the same way from earlier. I work from home, so yeah, I got distracted, but I wanted to come on and show you my meal. So I am doing the modified version of this. So I am doing a salad with some rotisserie chicken, and I just chopped up a boiled egg, and I'm gonna put some Caesar salad on it, and I'm gonna enjoy the heck out of this. I'm looking forward to this salad all day. So I'm gonna do this for the next 3 days is the goal. So I'll try to do better, remember to actually record me doing everything. Alright, moving into day two. Once again, started off with the apple cider vinegar, and I had my first smoothie at the house. Second smoothie I took on the road with me. I love these mason jar lids and their scrawls to make it compatible. And I also brought along my snacks, were boiled eggs and a cheese stick. Second smoothie, I'm still drinking on my smoothie, but I was in the mood for a crunchy snack. So I decided to do baby carrots and guacamole. I don't know why I thought about this in my sleep last night, but I mean, it's alright. It ain't as good as I thought it was going to be in my dreams. But this is snack number two. Hey guys, I apologize. I'm going to insert a pic. I ate dinner so quick. It is late. Yesterday I was able to wrap up everything by like maybe 8:30. I don't know what time it is now. I had to do my hair and a whole bunch of other stuff. So that's why it's a picture of dinner, and I needed that. I am on another bottle of water here in this cup. This cup can hold one whole bottle of water. And I need to drink one more because I'm sucked today on drinking water. I think this is only like my second. No, it's my third bottle of water. So yeah, day two complete. So I got hungry like that night, so this was my late night snack. Hey guys, day three, we're still going good. My original goal was to do only 3 days, but I am going to try to push further. But I am, today will probably be our biggest challenge because I'm actually about to get on the road for a job out of town. So I do have my breakfast smoothie, which I've already started, and I'm drinking now. I have my container of water. I brought a liter with me to drink. And for snacks, I bought carrots, an apple, and I bought another smoothie. This one's frozen. So yeah, we shall see how all this does for me today. But yeah, I did not do my apple cider vinegar shot. I will have to do that later on when I get home. So at the event that I was working at, I wasn't able to bring in my snacks, but this is what they had here. That's the plate that was fixed, and this is all that was left on the plate. So I did pretty good not eating all the junk. On the tail end of this one, I'm sorry y'all, I keep forgetting, but this was the same thing I had yesterday, the rotisserie chicken and behind of broccoli. I had about 2 cups of broccoli on this one, just trying to get things moving. So yeah, the plan was to do this 3 days. I am going to go ahead and continue to tomorrow, so see you guys tomorrow. I did end up eventually eating some carrot sticks to end the night, and that is the end of day 3. So this is day 4 here. It started off very slow. I wasn't really hungry, so that's all I had for the day. And then this happened. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, clearly this meal ends the cleanse here. Yeah, I needed it today, y'all. I needed it. Mentally, I was going through a lot of stuff, and food is a comfort, and that's not a good thing. But I'm not gonna end this and go off and be retarded and lose my mind. I am still gonna I want to do a smoothie a day, pretty much all summer is gonna be the goal. Excuse me, I'm so oily, you guys. A smoothie a day. So yeah, that's all I had today was a smoothie and the apple and this food right here, and that'll be it for me. Thank you for watching. I don't know if this helped or anything. I do plan on starting back up again Sunday. So if you follow me on my social media networks, you always stay up to date on that there. And yeah, so this is kicking off, regardless how this meal looks, this is kicking off back focused on my weight loss journey. My what I'll be doing now is low carb, high protein, and I'm gonna do that for a while, and then eventually I want to go into the keto diet. So I would love to hear your thoughts and everything. So comment down below, make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Smooches. So here's my final weigh-in, guys, that I did the next day. So despite what happened day 4, I still did jumpstart my weight loss journey by losing 6.2 pounds. And yeah, so I'm gonna do more videos to show you guys what I got going on with my weight loss and keep you updated. Make sure you check the description box and check out my previous videos, and follow me on all my social media networks. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to live, learn, recording this year, y'all. Smooches.